G'day, Stu here from UAVfutures, and it's quiz time. What do all these radios have in common? 3, 2, 1. Well, number one, they are awesome, but number two, they use ELRS or Express LRS. And why do we do that? Because it is a rock-solid protocol in FPV. It is by far the most popular radio controlling protocol that we have. It's done by an awesome team of hardworking people. It's an open source project for all of us to enjoy. However, at the moment, there's a situation where it looks like that's under threat because there has been some announcements made recently over on the ELRS Discord, and also I saw a video from Maztech on it this morning just trying to bring awareness to this situation. The ELRS team are potentially facing a trademark against an individual. So what does that mean? There is another individual out there who is not associated with the ELRS team. They've decided that they want to register ELRS for themselves. They've put in a claim over in China. They've also submitted it over in the US, and that is bad news for us users of ELRS. Now, I'm not going to get into speculations on who owns what or anything. It looked pretty clear, cut and dry, that this individual should not be in control of this name. However, these legal matters, they do need help. So that's what this video is for. So down below, there is going to be links where if you like ELRS, if you use it every day and you've never had two thoughts about, hey, who is developing this, who makes this, there is the link to go and support them. And what that's going to let them do is provide some funds that if they need to fight this legally and protect protect what they've been building for us to use freely, please go and do that, because these open source projects, they survive based on the community that supports them. ELRS deserves our support. They have developed such an amazing repertoire of technology that we can use. It is it is just incredible. Now, some clarification, if this individual was successful in registering ELRS and the trademark and everything to them, it is not all hope lost. There is still like a situation where people can claim against that and say, hey, look, that's not really the case, and they can argue it and things like that. But it is all a legal framework that this dev team will need to navigate. Now, it's not official. It hasn't gone through yet. It hasn't been passed. It has just been submitted, but that's where we're up to right now. So if you would like to support ELRS, you use ELRS all the time and you've never thought much about it, and you thought, actually, I do really like that protocol. Remember when we used to get fail-safes all the time? That barely happens anymore because ELRS is just such a rock-solid development, like just an amazing project. So anyway, that's what this video is for, just to bring announcements to it. Go check it out. The link's going to be down below. I'm going to link Maztech's video. I'm going to link their support page, and I'm also going to link the ELRS statement on sort of summing up this situation. So anyway, that's what this is for. I'm just bringing some attention for it. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to be back with like some actual proper reviews and those sorts of things. But anyway, this is an important one. I just thought the ELRS team, let's do everything we can to support them. So go check those links out too. All right.